We'll guide you through how to install the vehicle mod in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, let's quit off Minecraft. Just before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to Minecraft server host. If we scroll down, we can take a look at some of their features. For example, one-click install mod packs, so it's super easy to play with mod packs. DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, so you can get help anytime you need it and join your server at any time. Instant setup and so much more. So if you're interested, I'll put a link down below in the comments and the description, and at the moment you can get 25% off your first invoice. So to go and continue with the guide, what we need to do is firstly get the vehicle mod. So go and search for vehicle mod Mr. Crayfish, just like so. This is the creator of it, and come to the CurseForge site. Then what we can do is scroll down and go over to the right and click on files. You can go and read through that there if you want to as well. And I like to go and get the most recent version, which is at the top here. And what you want to do is just note the game version, as you can see 1.16.5, and then come over to the right, click on the three dots and click on download file. Now go and wait for it to download, which it now has, and go and press back. And if we come into the description, what we need is this here called obfuscate. So go and click on it and then click on files, and we need to make sure we get the right version, which is 1.16.5. So come over to the right, click on the three dots and click on download file. Now what we need is a mod launcher for this, and this is called Forge. So open up a new tab and go and search for Forge Minecraft just so we get the right site and come to the official site. Now what we can do is come over to the left and we need to get the same version, which is 1.16.5. So click on 1.16 and then 1.16.5. Now what we can do is go and get a launcher. I'll just get the latest one. So I'll click here. You'll get taken to an ad wall. Just be aware this is ads. So if there's any downloads, it's for the ad. To get the actual Forge download, you need to click the skip button in the top right, like so. We've now finished in our browser, so we can minimize it, and you need to go and open up your file explorer. First of all, we need to install Forge, so go and double click on it, like so, and you should go and get the Forge installer. Now, if you don't, maybe something else happens or nothing happens, this is likely because you don't have Java installed, so go back to your web browser and head to java.com, and what you can do is download Java and install it, and then it should now be working. You can come back to Forge, right click on it and click on open with and select Java. You may need to click on choose another app, and then you can run it. However, if it still isn't running, then you may need to do something called a jar fix, which we've got a guide on, and it basically links jar and Java files together again. Once you've got this open, select install client and press OK and go and wait. Once it's finished, you'll get a pop-up saying successfully installed and you can press OK. Now what you need to do is open up the Minecraft launcher, so come to the bottom and search for it. Come over to the left and make sure you select Java Edition and go to the top and click on installations. Now scroll down and locate Forge and go over to the right and click on the folder icon, and this will take you to your Minecraft files. Now scroll down and find the mods folder just here. Now if you've got mods for different versions of Minecraft in here, make sure you delete them, as otherwise they aren't going to work if they aren't all compatible. Now what you need to do is come to your downloads and select the vehicle mod and obfuscate and go and drag it into the mods folder, like so. And that's it, you've now installed them, so you can click on play at the top of Minecraft launcher again, and then go to the left of play and go and select Forge just here. Now click on play. You need to understand the risks as you're playing with mods, and now Forge should go and load. It's now loaded. If we come into mods, we'll go and see the vehicle mod here. And now what we can do is get into a world, and I'll go and show you the world's now loaded. So I'll press E to go and open my inventory. And what you need to do is at the top here is use the arrows and go to the top to get to the Mr. Crayfish's vehicle mod section. You can then see the different parts, but if you scroll down, we've then got these different sort of crates here. So for example here, I'll grab this one and I can then place it. And as you can see, it's then going to go and put it in. And then you can right click on it and we're now using it. And you can then go and start moving around as you usually would as you'd walk. It's that simple.